Extended stay is a concept that was created just a few years ago, and a company called Extended Stay America is really good at it. So it caters to people who don't want to go get an apartment, they cannot put a deposit for rent, they don't want to go through all this. They just want to stay in a hotel, but they don't want to pay the nightly rate to be so high. So they pay a monthly rate, if you will, and then they stay 1 month, or they can stay weekly, 5 weeks, etc. You have to be careful if you have a hotel not to have people stay over 30 days. What do? On the 29th day, we call them, they come down, we check them out, they settle the bill, and then we check them back in. Can anybody tell me why we would do that? Thank you, exactly. They fall under residential law, no longer innkeeper's law. In innkeeper, if somebody doesn't pay me, let's say I have a hotel, somebody doesn't pay me, all I gotta do is call them, say you need to pay or you can't stay. You gotta pay to stay.